In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Bookings tutorial, everything you need to know. Microsoft Bookings is a simple way to let people schedule time with you or your team without endless back and forth emails. It connects to Outlook, respects your calendar, and generates a clean, branded booking page your customers can use anytime. Start by accessing Bookings. Sign in at office.com, open the app launcher, and choose Bookings, or go directly to the Bookings homepage if you have it bookmarked. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to create a new booking page. Make sure you're signed into the right work or school account and that your time zone is correct before moving on. Create your booking page by entering your business or department name and basic details. Add a logo to keep your branding consistent and recognizable. Set your operating hours for each day you want to accept appointments. Think about when you realistically want customers to book you. If your team needs focus time in the mornings, set your public hours to begin later. You can adjust hours at any time, so don't worry if things change seasonally. Next, set up services. Each service is an appointment type your customers can choose, like a consultation or a follow up. Give it a clear name and description, set the duration, and add a price if you charge for it. Use buffer times before and after to create breathing room so meetings don't stack back to back. Buffers help with prep travel or simply wrapping up notes. If you offer multiple services, stagger their availability so your most popular option doesn't block everything else. Manage staff and availability by adding team members who will take appointments. Assign them to the relevant services and set their individual working hours. Ensure each person's calendar is connected so existing meetings block their availability automatically. If someone is part time or has different shifts, reflect that here. Accurate staff settings are the key to preventing double bookings and last minute conflicts. Configure the booking page to fine tune the experience, customize the look and feel, choose your color theme, and write helpful instructions for customers. Set scheduling policies such as how far in advance people can book, minimum lead time before an appointment, and your cancellation or rescheduling window. Decide who can access the page, open it to anyone with the link, or restrict it to people in your organization for internal scheduling. When everything looks good, click Save and then Publish. You'll get a public URL you can share by email, place in your email signature, or add to your website. Test the link by making a sample booking to confirm times, notifications, and calendar events appear correctly. That's it. Your Microsoft Bookings page is live and ready to simplify scheduling.